Valley girl. Don't walk in the water if you're filming.
Huh?
Much bigger than I thought. Yeah. It's got its own little thingy too.
Oh, I like that one.
That's
Seal.
That's you.
You're too funny, Mom.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
She's so cute. Right? Ooh.
Tender.
That's a pretty bird.
That is a sexy girl. Right?
Oof.
That is. So what is up with all these folks here?
He's enjoying the music.
He's singing.
They got a DJ and everything. Yeah. You know what I feel like I'm at right now? The Catalina wine mixer.
I'm the friggin' Catalina wine mixer. Yo.
Gotta start singing that song they sing.
The opera?
Yeah,
Or both of them? How are you?
both. Deadliest catch. Hey, Galati.
Oh yeah, we got to check that out. That's like a center console. Yeah, that doesn't, I don't think that has a cat. Oh man, look at how comfortable it looks.
Right? Bugs like it.
They're in Mexico, and I think they're in Texas.
Really?
The back of this shirt that he gave us
Uh-huh.
had all the different looking.
Oh my god, Mom, look. Prestige. Worldwide.
Probably gonna
No, I got friends that have for a long time.
I've never seen them.
They're out of Orlando.
How fast do they go?
I think they don't want you going faster than about 25. But they're a lot of fun. I like that one. The yellow one's always
Oh my god, there's more.
Oh my gosh, they're actually on like a kayak looking thing.
Yeah.
Right?
What?
It is the only banking catamaran in the world, so it banks in the turn much like a beaver.
I don't know what they are. They used to be like,
Great in rough water, and it has
What's up with the white one?
Albino.
No, I don't think it's the same kind of duck. Those are all mallards. I've never seen a completely white mallard.
Paint is essentially plastic as a binder, and the epoxy resin, like this is marine grade. It could go outside.
Ah.
Thanks. I got that little box.
And I'll talk to Dockmaster because I got
Okay.
another card, and I'll just bring it
That's
up.
my
See if
cell.
we
You
can
got
bring
my
some.
card on there.
Huh?
That's my cell
Yeah.
on there. So
Yep.
either shoot me a
Gotcha.
call or
Well,
email.
Yeah, I know, that's my favorite.
show on Facebook.
Okay. Yeah. It's
God,
all-
that's
it's
so
How
pretty.
the hell do you price your stuff? How do you put value on your talent? Do you just
Well,
like
it's hard. This is
compare?
the lowest that I do. This is like my one big show before holidays. When I do like other events.
I know. What? I'm trying to figure out what it is.
It's made out of a cellular PVC.
It's not HDP.
Carries a 25-year warranty. HDP is a petroleum-based product like Starbucks. This is carries a 25-year warranty and never rot, tear, crack, fade, chip, or delaminate. And if you feel the turtle, it's actually engraved in there, and it's a hand-ported pump. They're made out of a cellular PVC.
Ah!
And that's
It
actually,
really looks like wood.
yep, and this is actually engraved in there, and it's a hand-poured epoxy resin. Reindeer. Okay.
So it lasts forever. It's plastic.
Where did my reindeer person go?
Oh, you see the peace sign, Trish?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
How
Yeah.
many reindeer did you want, ma'am?
One.
One?
Actually, two. Then I can get two gifts banged out at once.
That's not bad, $20.
Those are cute.
I know, they're super cute.
They're perfect decorations.
There's only two left.
I can't believe the size of the showers in these boats. That it's like a regular. I think that's the master. That's.
On the side, it'll be easy.
I'm getting it.
One's coming up.